Hi everybody, there is a new girl in our class. Come, let's meet her. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi, I am Sakshi. So, you have met Sakshi. Good. Come here, Sakshi. Come and tell your friends something about yourself. I am 9 years old. I am 130 centimeters tall. I am in Standard 4. Now children, each of you come up in turn and say a few words about yourself. Hi, I am Ahmed. I am 9 years old. I am 140 centimeters tall. I am also in Standard 4. You heard Sakshi and Ahmed talk about themselves. Now, make sentences using the tables on the screen. Ruchi, can you read the sentences in this table? I am Ruchi. I am 9 years old. I am 125 centimeters tall. I am in Standard 4. Now, make 4 sentences using this table. Write them in your notebooks. Fill the blanks with suitable words.